Good day, everyone. I'm Erin Papa, a university researcher at Biotech University of the Philippines, Los Baños, to talk about Acticon technology, a biocontrol formulation for the management of fusarium wilt in Cavendish banana. The world banana industry is a 40 billion US dollar industry, with the Philippines as one of the major players, being second top exporting country in 2022, generating 1.66 billion US dollars. Banana remains to be one of the most economically important fruit in the Philippines, with a total production area of 446,000 hectares. Cavendish is the most grown variety in our country, planted in more than 60,000 hectares. This generates more than 800 million US dollars annual export revenue and bringing in more than 320,000 direct employments. However, one of the major challenges in banana production is the deadly Fusarium wilt, otherwise known as Panama disease. It is caused by Fusarium oxysporum, Forma specialis cubense, tropical race 4, which is a soil-borne fungus. Tropical race 4 is recognized for their pathogenicity to banana cultivars of the Cavendish group, but can also infect cultivars belonging to races 1 and 2. Massive chemical application that endangers human health and the environment is being done to control the disease, but to no avail. Thus, with funding from the Department of Science and Technology and the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Research and Development or PICARD in the Philippines, Acticon was developed. It is a new biocontrol formulation against the devastating Fusarium wilt. The first step in the development of Acticon was the isolation of microbes from the soil, then purification to obtain pure cultures, then preservation of the isolates. After having pure isolates, the next step is the screening for bioactivity of all the pure isolates against the deadly FOC-TR4 to select potential biocontrol agents. We employed agar-plug assay for the mass screening, then cup cylinder assay for the confirmation. After confirmation of the safety of the potential biocontrol agents, mass production and formulation were conducted. Activities included identification of the carriers for the inoculum, medium optimization, and stability of the formulated biocontrol agents. Acticon had undergone several trials to confirm efficacy. First, under nursery setup, Acticon was used to coat or soak the roots of the Cavendish Mary plants before planting in coco coir dust medium and maintained in the nursery for 60 days. Results under the nursery setup show that Acticon improved survival rate of the Mary plants at 97% compared to control or no Acticon setup that only showed 72% survival rate. Plant height, number, and length of roots were higher with Acticon treatment compared with the control plants. The Acticon microbes produce growth-promoting substances that improve growth development of the tissue-cultured Cavendish Mary plants. This is a photo showing the effects of Acticon on the growth and development of the Cavendish Mary plants under the nursery setup. Efficacy field trials of Acticon in Mindanao, Philippines show that plant development improved with Acticon treatment. Moreover, Acticon application decreased mortality rate to only 25% compared to 100% in untreated or no Acticon application, confirming the efficacy of Acticon biocontrol formulation. In summary, Acticon improved plant growth and development, Acticon decreased Fusarium wilt or Panama disease infection, and Acticon can be part of the pest management system of growing banana for the reduction of Fusarium wilt infection, thus increasing the income of farmers. Thank you for listening. Thank you FFTC and 2024 APBB organizers for the invitation. Thank you DOST and PICARD Philippines for the research grants.